Hey everyone, I'm Bjorn from the Growbo team. Today we're going to talk about cocoa pods. This is what your plant actually grows out of. So you put your seed in here and this goes into the system itself. They're called cocoa pods because they're actually made out of coconut husk that's been held together with a little bit of foam, and it's a nice natural material for you to grow in. So let's show you how to use them. When they come to you, you're going to notice that they're really dry and a little bit hard. What you're going to do, and one of our biggest tips for you, is that you can soak them in water. Once you put it in the water, if you give it a few good squeezes, you're going to find that it begins sucking up that water immediately. You can then pull it out, give it one final squeeze and a nice shake, and you're almost ready to grow. Take your seed and plant it in the hole that you can see right on the top. And then our last little tip is that you pull off a little bit of an edge of the cocoa pod and just put it on top to tuck your seed in. That keeps the seed nice and damp all the way around. That's it, you're ready to grow. Have fun growing.